Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the failed download or installation error in GOG Galaxy when you try to download a game. First, let's start with the basic steps. Restart your internet router and then restart your computer. Sometimes the issue is temporary, and this simple step can solve it. If the problem is still there, change your DNS settings. Go to the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it from the search results. Right-click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on what you are using, and open Properties. Double-click on the Internet Protocol version 4. Go to the DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. In the preferred DNS field, type 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS field, type 8.8.4.4. Then click Save. Next, open the command prompt as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. After that, type net/shwin sock reset and press Enter. Once both commands are completed, restart your PC. Now, try running GOG Galaxy as administrator. This should fix the issue. Thanks for watching.